finally we are back and welcome you all to our new video and welcome back again to this video. I told you, right, there were some problems with the PC's network, so I'm going to solve that. And on the right side you all can see that uh, the PC is with a cable and it is showing me troubleshoot. So that after this video it will be removed, and at the end of this video you will be able to know how to do or install network in your device or PC. So now let's start. My computer, first I inserted the device and the pen drive which has shown you at the starting of this video at their respective places. So here you can see that it is there, DVD drive F, right? So let me click on it. Now there are two folders, MT7601 driver and RTL8188 driver. So let me check both of them. Nothing. Linux, nothing. Let me check Windows driver. Oh, it's there. Oh, I found it. But the name should be setup. Let me main RTL Windows driver. Wait, there are two. One is icon and second one is setup, means real setup. So let me click on it. Now they will give me a wizard, right? Now I will have to wait for some time. Now see what happens sometimes whenever you get something, means when you bought a new PC you don't get this pen drive with that, so you can buy it from the link in the description. It is a product of Exabyte. It gives you a CD, and just if you wanted to buy you can buy it. And last thing, it is not sponsored by Exabyte. Now let me click on next. Okay, next. Okay, it will take some time. And one more thing. Okay, it started. So now what happens is sometimes you have a lack of time, means you need network right now but you don't have anything. So what you can do is just connect it cable when you buy a new phone or a tablet. Just take that cable and just keep that in a USB port and attach it to your phone. Next you can now get to go in settings and just search USB tethering, and then tap on that. Then the network where it is showing this wrong, means cross one, there will be, it will be processed. So what happened, so after some times you can search and do your work instantly. Okay, and that's a best and easy way which I did it for my PC. Still this didn't came. So now I think so I should cut my video from here. Okay, let me cut it. Okay, and when it will be done I will. So guys, finally it is done. Now they are asking me to restart my computer, but I don't want to, so I will just click on no and finish. So the mark which was there first, PC cross and cable, is now changed. Now it is showing me some bars with a orange dot. Yes, it's dot. Now let me click on it. Now connect to your own network. So what happens sometimes, when you connect to your network, you enter the correct password, it gives you a troubleshoot. That troubleshoot happens sometimes. 1 minute, huh? That troubleshoot happens sometimes because of some issues when it is new. Then after you try 4 to 5 times, it will be done. So now let me give my password. Okay, and one more thing, what I told you, after 4 to 5 tries it will be done. And afterwards, if it does not happens, then just apply your own hotspot. So guys, finally it is done. I was having some troubleshoot with my network sharing center. It was, say, I just kept the setting that no home networks allowed it, so I just connected it to my hotspot. But if you have that same, just open network and sharing centers, and if you still have some doubts, just write in comment section. Till then, take care everybody, and bye bye.